The first thing you might think when picking up the Apple Watch Ultra is that it's a bit big compared to the smooth lines of a Watch 8. We expected it to be an ugly device, but the way the metal molds around the outside of the device, even the big bulge on the right hand side, isn't that unsightly. The bulge on the right is something that's going to mean you will really need to want this watch, given you are already spending $400 more on it compared to the new watch. On the left hand side of the wrist-based device is a new button though, and this is where one of the novel additions resides. Apple has added a programmable button called the Action button that will allow you to set which apps will open when pressed, making it super simple to just get the workouts app open and start running or cycling, open a stopwatch or torch, or get diving. Sadly, there is not a huge amount of functions you can currently ascribe to this button, but it's easily pressable and can also be used to stop and start runs. Pressing all of these buttons, the digital crown and power button on the right, just as you might find on a normal Apple Watch, and the new button is a very smooth and tactile experience, allowing you to quickly start and stop activities on the go without needing to fiddle about the double pressing anything as you do on the normal Apple Watch just to confirm you have finished a run. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.